How to add a song to your playlist on Spotify. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add a song to your playlist on Spotify. First go to Spotify and then click this one, this icon here, your library, and then click it playlist, and now just click this one here, add songs, and choose any song you want, like this one. And then if you want to add another song, you need just to click here and then click this one, and then just click this icon if you want to add any song here. And that's today's video. If you like it, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.